Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop receiving email notifications on Twitter app. So Twitter sends a lot of emails notifying about new followers, likes and comments on your tweets. Luckily, you can disable these email notifications to stop receiving them in the future. Just follow these steps, open up the Twitter or X application in your mobile and log into your profile if you haven't already. Then tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. From the menu, select Settings and Support and then Settings and Privacy. And now you have to select this notifications and then go for this filters and then go for this muted notifications. And now you can turn off or mute notifications like you don't follow, who don't follow you with a new account, who have a default profile photo, who haven't confirmed their email address and who haven't confirmed their phone number. So you can just select all of them if you want. And now if you go back and now if you go to this preferences and you will find this email notifications here. So just tap on this email notifications. So at the top you can turn off this toggle and on to disable the notifications, or you can just toggle this on and you can select a specific notifications if you want to disable just a few notifications, or if you want to disable all the notifications, just turn this toggle off and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.